Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling and Cooking with me, AB. In today's video, I'm bringing you Panda Express, probably their #1 selling item, which is orange chicken. Take a look at it. Man, this came out right. I wish you guys could smell it. Listen, there's no difference between this here or you going to Panda Express and buying it yourself. So if you like orange chicken, you're going to love this one. So how I come up with this is I've seen several different recipes, right? Or, on the internet, on YouTube. And what I did was I took a little bit from this video, a little bit from that video, a little bit from that, and just kept cooking and cooking. And then guess what, folks? I come up with I say it's the exact recipe. Like I said, I wish you guys could smell it. It smells just like when you walk in there and you can smell that orange chicken flavor. So what I'm going to tell you is, you know what? Let's go ahead and break right into the rating system. On this one here, I'm torn between a 5 and a 6. I want to give it a 6, but I'm going to go ahead and meet it halfway and just give it a 5. And my rating system goes like this, from 0 to 10, 10 being the most difficult. And we're going to go ahead and give it a 5. Reason being, listen, there's a few ingredients, but it's very, very easy to, put together and cook. Here's the tricky part. When you're cooking the orange chicken sauce to put on the chicken after you've made it, you fried it, this is the tricky part right here. You got to make I call it a cornstarch slurry, which is cornstarch and water. You mix it up. Listen, when you add it into your saucepan, you must immediately stir it up. If you don't, you know what? It'll just clump up and it'll be hard to work with. In this video, you'll see when I made mine, because of my positioning of my camera, I was off to the side a little bit. And by the time I put my utensil down, and got myself in position to, start stirring, it had already started to thicken up real quick. So listen, when you want to pour it in slow and constantly just turn it, you know what I mean? Just keep, stirring, and it'll thicken right up for you. Outside of that, like I say, we give it a 5. So listen, I want to hurry up and break into this so I can show you guys how I made mine. This right here, I call this the wow factor dishes here. You've already seen where I went live and I made the chicken and shrimp fried rice. That was easy. So listen, we made chicken and shrimp fried rice. Now we got orange chicken. I got one more thing coming, and I'm probably going to do that this weekend, and that's going to be teriyaki chicken. We're going to put all that together and make our own #2 from from Panda Express. I hope they don't come and get me after this one. All right, folks. So with no further ado, let's get it in.